Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate again and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to help you with the problem regarding Instagram invite message problem. That is, whenever you try to message someone on Instagram and you are not able to send message to that person because you are frequently asked with an option that says invite a person to the chat. So what does this basically means is that once you invite a person to the chat, you will be able to only send one message or one invite. You will not be able to send multiple messages. So if you're having problem with that, make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now in here, let me open Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, suppose I want to message this account right here. If I tap on message, I will be directed to this chat box, and in here a message is popped up that says invite the account to the chat. So once you invite this account, you will be only able to send one message on this one invite. You will not be able to send multiple messages. So if you're having the same problem, now we have a solution to that problem. For that, go back to your device and then in here uninstall the Instagram app. Just simply uninstall this app. Now what I want you to do is that now open your Chrome and then try installing the oldest version of Instagram from your Chrome. Now in URL, just type the Instagram oldest version. Once you're done with that, tap on this first search that says up to down. Once you tap on there, you will be loaded to this interface, and here you will be able to see all the version of Instagram. Now I want you to go to the version that is less than 275. So scroll and tap on see more, and in here tap on this version 275. Once you tap on there, here you will be able to download the Instagram app. Again tap on download and wait until it gets downloaded. Once the Instagram is downloaded, open the Instagram app and make sure to install the app. Once your app is installed, open the app. Once you're done with that, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, again go to the person and message the same account, and in here you will be able to send message to that person without any invitation, and in this way you can solve the problem. But if you aren't able to solve the problem, and make sure to update the app. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And if you have any questions or comments regarding our video, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.